Now let's talk about how to wrap all of this up into an ongoing process. First, keep in mind that nothing is set it and forget it. You'll want to keep a watchful eye on your performance at all times to catch any dips in revenue. Because of the complexity of the ad tech ecosystem and the ever-changing pipes that make up the ad supply chain, something that has historically generated great revenue for you can, with a moment's notice, start losing you revenue in the future. You should have a good process in place for evaluating performance and determining if a setting needs to be changed, despite the fact that a positive test result may have been obtained in the past. And second, as you want to retest ideas regularly. A negative test result doesn't necessarily mean that you should throw an idea out the window. If an idea made it through the brainstorm gauntlet we described in the choosing which test to run section, that means a bunch of smart people saw logical reasons why it might generate revenue. If you ran the test, but it didn't see the gains in revenue you were hoping for, review your data to see if you can articulate why the test didn't generate additional revenue. Often, yield teams find that they can't directly pinpoint why a test didn't bear fruit. If you can't pinpoint a reason, put the test on a list for trying again in the future. We've created a simple template which can help you manage your tests if you are just getting started with yield experiments for the first time. The Yield Test Manager template has 2 tabs, one for managing ongoing tests and a separate one for keeping track of your idea backlog. In the Test Manager tab, you'll keep track of any tests you have planned, are currently running, or have completed. There are columns for tracking important items like the test status, start and end dates, a place to note the test results, and columns to track follow-up action items. The Idea Backlog tab should be used in your brainstorming sessions to document the tests you want to run in the future, but may not have fully fleshed out yet.
Learn more at www.playwire.com. Or, if you're watching on YouTube, click the link below in the description of this video.